cutlets are something that I always love and enjoy, and adding to all the cutlets that I have done is this very special cutlet, which is beetroot cutlet. Now beetroot is one of my favorite vegetables, and why not make a cutlet using beetroot? So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the beetroot cutlet, I've taken 2 large beetroots, remove the skin, grate it nicely, and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to make the cutlet mixture. For this, take a nice wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add a few chopped cashew nuts, next add a few raisins. Adding cashew nuts and raisins is entirely optional. I'm adding them to give a nice crunch and flavor to the cutlets. Next, add 1 large onion thinly sliced, 2 green chilies finely chopped, once the onions are transparent, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, next add the grated beetroot, to this add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. Mix everything. I've taken 5 medium-sized potatoes. I've boiled them, removed the skin and cut into pieces. Turn off the stove, mash the potatoes. To this, I'm going to add some boiled peas and some chopped coriander leaves. Take a little bit of the mixture and roll it into desired shapes. For the Maida slurry, take about 2 tablespoons of Maida. So you can either use corn flour or Maida for this. Add a little water and mix it well. It shouldn't be too thick or too runny, so make sure you have a right consistency, just enough to coat the cutlets. Dip the patties in the Maida mixture. Roll it in breadcrumbs. Refrigerate the cutlets for about 20 minutes before shallow frying. For shallow frying, take a pan, add a little oil, keep the flame on medium. Add the patties into the hot oil. Shallow fry the patties till they're golden brown in color. The beetroot cutlets are ready now. Take them out. Serve these delicious beetroot cutlets hot with tomato ketchup or any dip of your choice. So there you go. Here is this really tasty beetroot cutlets which I've been waiting to make for a very long time. You can enjoy this with some nice ketchup or mayonnaise by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Print.